How to send a one-time view message on WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to send a photo that can only be viewed once before it disappears from the chat. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device and head into any chat. After that, tap the attachment icon next to the message bar to open the media options. From there, tap on Gallery and select the photo you want to send. At this point, once the photo's selected, tap the text icon to add a caption or message along with it. In the next step, type in whatever text you want to accompany the photo. Following this, look for the number 1 icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it to enable the one-time view feature. Once done, you'll notice the icon changes to confirm that the photo is now set to be viewed only once. Finally, tap Send, and the recipient will be able to open and view the photo along with your message just one time before it permanently disappears from the chat. And that's it. If this guide helped you send a one-time view message on WhatsApp on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.